Artificial intelligence, once a figment of science fiction, now interwoven with reality. It's in our phones, our cars, our homes. AI recommends our music, diagnoses our illnesses, even predicts our desires. This is not the future, it's the present. The digital age has birthed a new intelligence, one that learns, adapts, and evolves at an unprecedented pace. This revolution promises to reshape our world, for better or worse. But one question looms large. Are we summoning a powerful ally or unleashing a force beyond our control? The stakes have never been higher. The choices we make today will determine the fate of humanity. Will AI usher in a new era of prosperity, or will it herald our downfall? The answers lie not in blind fear, but in understanding the true nature of this transformative technology. AI's potential for good is undeniable. In healthcare, AI analyzes medical images with superhuman accuracy, detecting diseases earlier and saving lives. It powers prosthetic limbs, giving amputees newfound mobility and independence. In disaster relief, AI-powered drones navigate rubble, locating survivors and delivering aid. Beyond the life-saving, AI offers convenience and efficiency. Self-driving cars promise to reduce accidents and ease traffic congestion. Smart homes adjust temperature and lighting, conserving energy and enhancing comfort. AI-powered assistants schedule appointments and answer questions, freeing up our time for more meaningful pursuits. These are just a few glimpses into AI's potential to improve our lives. Its applications are vast and ever-expanding, offering solutions to some of humanity's most pressing challenges. But amidst this optimism, we must not shy away from the potential pitfalls that lie ahead. Every technological revolution brings disruption, and AI is no exception. As machines grow increasingly sophisticated, they threaten to displace human workers in various sectors. From truck drivers to factory workers, millions face an uncertain future as automation takes hold. The fear of job loss is understandable, and the potential for economic upheaval is real. But history teaches us that technological progress, while disruptive, also creates new opportunities. As AI automates existing jobs, it will inevitably give rise to new industries and professions that we can scarcely imagine today. The challenge lies in adapting to this changing landscape, equipping ourselves with the skills and knowledge to thrive in an AI-driven economy. Education and retraining programs will be crucial in ensuring that workers are not left behind in this transition. AI systems are often touted as impartial and objective, free from human biases. However, this is a dangerous misconception. AI is built on data, and data can reflect and amplify existing societal prejudices. Consider facial recognition software used by law enforcement agencies around the world. Studies have shown that these systems are more likely to misidentify people of color, leading to wrongful arrests and perpetuating systemic racism. Similarly, AI-powered hiring tools can inadvertently discriminate against candidates based on gender, ethnicity, or other protected characteristics. Combating bias in AI is paramount. This requires developing ethical guidelines for data collection and algorithm design, ensuring that AI systems are fair, transparent, and accountable. We must remain vigilant against the unintended consequences of these technologies, striving to create an AI-powered world that is just and equitable for all. Section 5. The singularity: will AI outsmart humanity? Perhaps the most profound and unsettling question surrounding AI is the possibility of it surpassing human intelligence. This hypothetical event, known as the singularity, conjures images of superintelligent machines rendering humans obsolete or even posing an existential threat to our species. While the singularity remains a topic of much debate and speculation, it highlights the importance of carefully considering the long-term implications of AI development. Should we strive to create machines that surpass our own cognitive abilities, or should we focus on developing AI that augments and complements human intelligence? These are not easy questions to answer, and there are no simple solutions. As we venture further into uncharted territory, we must proceed with caution and humility, recognizing the profound ethical considerations at stake. Section 6: AI in warfare, a chilling new arms race. The very same technology that holds the promise of curing diseases and solving global challenges can also be used for more sinister purposes. AI, with its vast potential, is a double-edged sword. While it can revolutionize healthcare, education, and industry, it also opens the door to unprecedented threats. The development of autonomous weapons systems powered by AI raises chilling possibilities for the future of warfare. These systems can operate independently, making decisions without human oversight, which could lead to catastrophic consequences. Imagine a battlefield where drones make life or death decisions without human intervention, or swarms of nanobots capable of carrying out targeted assassinations. These technologies could be used to target individuals with precision, making warfare more personal and terrifying. Such scenarios, once relegated to the realm of science fiction, are now within the realm of possibility. The rapid advancement of AI technology means that what was once a distant dream is now a looming reality. The development and deployment of autonomous weapons systems raise profound ethical and humanitarian concerns. The idea of machines making decisions about human lives is deeply unsettling and challenges our moral and ethical frameworks. Do we want to live in a world where machines decide who lives and who dies? This question is not just theoretical, it is a pressing issue that we must address as a global community. The international community must establish clear guidelines and regulations to prevent a future where AI is used to wage war without human control or accountability. It is crucial to ensure that AI is developed and used responsibly, with strict oversight and ethical considerations at the forefront. Section 7, Privacy Under Siege, Big Data's Watchful Eye. The rise of AI is inextricably linked to the explosion of data. Every click, every search, every online purchase contributes to an ever-growing pool of information. AI algorithms thrive on vast data sets, analyzing our online activities, shopping habits, social interactions, and more to generate insights and predictions about our behavior. These algorithms can identify patterns and trends that are invisible to the human eye, making them incredibly powerful tools for businesses and governments alike. While this data-driven revolution has brought about undeniable conveniences, it also poses significant threats to our privacy. The more data that is collected, the greater the risk of it being misused or falling into the wrong hands. Facial recognition technology allows governments and corporations to track our movements and monitor our activities. This technology can be used for security purposes, but it also raises concerns about constant surveillance and the erosion of personal freedoms. Algorithms can be used to predict our political leanings, religious beliefs, even our sexual orientation. This level of insight into our personal lives can be unsettling, especially when it is used without our knowledge or consent. As our lives become increasingly intertwined with the digital world, the need to protect our privacy becomes ever more urgent. Cybersecurity measures are essential, but they are only part of the solution. We must demand greater transparency and accountability from those who collect and control our data, and we must fight for strong legal frameworks that safeguard our fundamental right to privacy in the digital age. Activists and lawmakers must work together to create policies that protect individuals while still allowing for technological innovation. In the end, it is up to each of us to stay informed and vigilant about how our data is being used. By understanding the implications of big data and advocating for our rights, we can help shape a future where technology serves humanity, not the other way around. Section 8, the ethical imperative, guiding AI's development. The rapid advancement of AI demands a parallel conversation about ethics. As we push the boundaries of what AI can achieve, we must also push the boundaries of our ethical considerations. We cannot afford to blindly pursue technological progress without considering its potential impact on humanity. Every step forward in AI technology must be matched with a step forward in ethical thinking. We must establish clear ethical guidelines for AI development and deployment, ensuring that these technologies are used for good and not for harm. These guidelines should be comprehensive, covering all aspects of AI from design to implementation. This requires a collaborative effort involving experts from various fields, including computer science, philosophy, law, and social sciences. Each discipline brings a unique perspective, enriching the conversation and ensuring a well-rounded approach. We must engage in open and honest dialogue about the potential risks and benefits of AI, recognizing that these technologies have the power to transform society in profound ways. And we must work together to shape a future where these technologies are used responsibly and ethically. This means not only preventing harm, but also actively promoting the well-being of all individuals. The decisions we make today will have far-reaching consequences for generations to come. Our responsibility extends beyond the present moment, influencing the world our children and grandchildren will inherit. We must approach AI development with a sense of responsibility and foresight, always considering the long-term implications of our actions. Guided by a commitment to human values and the common good. By embedding ethical principles into the very fabric of AI, we can ensure that these powerful tools serve to enhance human life and dignity.